Diaphragmatic deep abdominal breathing, a stress management technique. Take a deep breath and let it out. Notice if you stiffened up the chest, neck, and sometimes even bite down, clenching the jaw. Just be barely aware of it. If you gently push out your stomach, notice how you automatically draw air into the lungs. The reason for this is the negative pressure created when you push out your stomach. The diaphragm drops down, creating negative pressure in the chest, which automatically expands the lungs, drawing in air. The lungs have 5 lobes. Many people, when they take a deep breath, actually only bring air into the 2 upper lobes of the lungs. The reason is because they are pulling their stomach in rather than letting it push out, creating more space. The 2 lower lobes of the lungs have more blood vessels. Therefore, more oxygen can get into the tissues. Oxygen is relaxing and healing and produces a major decrease in stress. It is also important to know that the vagus nerve runs through the diaphragm. When the diaphragm is hyperstretched, it activates the vagus nerve, which stimulate anti-stress hormones. So by taking a deep breath in this way, at least once an hour, it changes the stress response. The best way to do this is to breathe in for a count of 3, hold the breath 3 counts, and breathe out for 6 counts, and to do that hourly. Additionally, if practiced daily, this simple breathing technique can change your life for the better. After just 10 breaths, you can more easily focus on the task at hand, relieve anger, fear, stress, cravings, and symptoms of anxiety. You can even minimize physical pain when used in conjunction with positive or healing imagery techniques. Diaphragmatic breathing will increase your energy and increase by 15 times the toxins drained off by your lymph system. The lymph system doesn't have a pump like the blood does. The lymph system relies on deep breathing and movement for stimulation. The symptoms of stress are a direct result of the hormone adrenaline. Adrenaline is metabolized in less than 3 minutes with this deep breathing exercise. Taking 10 diaphragmatic breaths takes less than 3 minutes to do. If you slow your breathing and counter your anxious thinking with truthful coping statements, you will feel fine within 3 minutes. How to do diaphragmatic breathing. Make yourself as comfortable as possible, sitting or reclining with your spine straight and your arms and legs uncrossed. Close your eyes and place a hand over your solar plexus. With each inhalation, you might imagine slowly filling a bright blue balloon in your belly as you use it to gently push out your hand. Inhalation. As you take your first breath, say silently to yourself the number 1. Breathe in deeply, inhaling through your nostrils, expanding your abdomen for a count of 3. Hold the breath for a count of 3. Exhalation. Breathe out fully through your mouth for a count of 6. Allow all of the air to fully flow out of your body, saying silently to yourself, relax, relax, relax.